Hello guys, welcome back, and in this video I'm going to show you that how to react to a message on Instagram. So make sure you have liked this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys. First of all, just simply open up your Instagram app and then tap on this messenger icon on the top right corner, and then select a profile to which you want to react to a message, and then select the message and tap and hold on that message. So from here you can send the emojis, and if you didn't like this recommended emojis, you can send other emojis by tapping on this plus icon. You can also search emojis, and here you get a multiple of emojis. So if you want to reply to a message, just simply tap on this reply, or you can swipe left that message to reply, like in this way. And if you want to copy this message, you can copy it from here, and you can also forward it to someone else. So if you have sent it an emoji, now if you want to remove it, just simply tap on it and tap to remove this emoji. And if you want to super react onto a message, just simply hold it and select the emoji, tap on it and hold it. So like in this way you can super react to a message. So that's how you can easily react to a specific message in Instagram chat. So I hope it helps you guys, and if you have any question about the tutorial, just leave in the comment section below and I will catch you on the next video. And if you don't, just like and subscribe to my channel, and I will recommend you to check the latest video on the end screen. Thanks guys.